Hello, this is Maria with WTI.
Let me tell you about one of my favorite items from my whole closet. This is the Milumia blouse in a light pink color. I love this blouse because I can wear it with everything, any skirt or any pair of pants of any color. It goes well with all of the colors that I've tried it with. I am 5'4" and I feel that it has the perfect length for me. It's just long enough to wear it the way I like it with pants, but not too long. It also has this beautiful detail on the sleeves. They are pleated sleeves with black fabric on the edge, just like around the neck. I think it gives it a beautiful touch to the overall look of the blouse. I also love that this fabric is so breathable, so during the summer, this is one of the pieces that I wear the most. I think that I wear it every week, actually. Also, this fabric is very soft and is not itchy at all. And it also looks very good when I wear it tucked inside a skirt or pants. This is a must have in your closet.
And that's my point of view.